Denji here is a human. However, he can also turn into a devil.
Wish they'd let me dream, at least for a little bit.
You have two options. Either you die by my hand as a depraved devil, or you allow me to keep you as a human being.
Knuckle down and wise up to this job or you'll die. The only ones who survive are those with strong convictions at their core.
All right, on your knees, mortal scum! You stand in the presence of power!
I hate humans with a passion, and the same goes for devils.
Just dreaming of a normal life was enough to keep me going. But I don't even get to have that much! If you're gonna get in our way, then die!